Hello, I'm Dr. KK Misra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on industrial relations and labor enactments. The topic is Employee Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1953 and Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. This is part 8. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. The Employee Provident Fund's Appellate Tribunal, which is constituted under Section 7D, is defined under which section? A. Section 2J, B. Section 2K, C. Section 2I, D. Section 2M. Correct option is D. Section 2, subclause M. 2. Which section defines term exempted employee under Provident Fund Act 1952? A. Section 2, subclause C, B. Section 2, subclause F, C. Section 2, subclause H, D. Section 2, subclause G. Correct option is B. Section 2F. 3. What is pensionable salary? A. Average of the last 6 months pay, B. Average of last 12 months pay, C. Average of last 5 years pay, D. Average of total salary received. Correct option is B. Average of last 12 months pay. 4. Service needed to qualify for employee pension scheme is A. 10 years, B. 8 years, C. 7 years, D. 5 years. Correct option is A. 10. 5. Which purpose does not entitle an employee to take advance for Provident Fund? A. Hospitalization lasting for 1 month or more, B. Payment of premium towards policy, C. Advance for home appliances, D. Purchasing dwelling house. Correct option is C. Advance for home appliances. Question number 6. Under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, the maximum gratuity payable is dash A. Rupees 10 lakhs, B. Rupees 8 lakhs, C. Rupees 5 lakhs, D. Rupees 3.5 lakhs. Correct option is A. Rupees 10 lakhs. 7. What is the qualifying service to claim gratuity? A. 15 years, B. 10 years, C. 5 years, D. No such prescription. Correct option is C. 5 years. 8. The eligibility condition for obtaining gratuity under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 is dash A. Completion of 2 years of service, B. Completion of 3 years of service, C. Completion of 4 years of service, D. Completion of 5 years of service. Correct option is D. Completion of 5 years of service. 9. The maximum amount of gratuity has now been enhanced to 10 lakh from dash A. Rupees 2.5 lakhs, B. Rupees 3.5 lakhs, C. Rupees 5 lakhs, D. Rupees 7.5 lakhs. Correct option is B. Rupees 3.5 lakhs. 10. Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 is applicable to every shop or establishment within the meaning of any law for the time being in force in relation to shops and establishment in a state in which dash persons are or were employed on any day in the preceding 12 months. A. 10 or more, B. 10, C. 10 or more, D. 20. Correct option is A. 10 or more. 11. For every completed year of service or part thereof in excess of 6 months, the employer shall pay gratuity to an employee at the rate of dash days wages based on the rate of wages last drawn by the employee concerned. A. 25 days, B. 15 days, C. 30 days, D. 7 days. Correct option is B. 15 days. 12. In the case of a monthly rated employee, the 15 days wages shall be calculated by providing the monthly rate of wages last drawn by him by dash and multiplying the quotient by 15. A. 30, B. 15, C. 26, D. 25. Correct option is C. 26. 13. In the case of an employee who is employed in a seasonal establishment and who is not so employed throughout the year, the employer shall pay the gratuity at the rate of dash days wages for each season. Options are A. 14 days, B. 15 days, C. 10 days, D. 7 days. Correct option is D. 7 days. Question number 14. The employer shall arrange to pay the amount of gratuity within dash days from the date it becomes payable. A 30 days, B 15 days, C 60 days, D 75 days. Correct option is A 30 days. 15. Appeal on the decision of controlling authority should be preferred within dash days from the date of the order. A 30 days, B 60 days, C 15 days, D 75 days. Correct option is B 60 days. 16. The formula for calculating gratuity is dash A. Gratuity is equal to monthly salary divided by 25 into 15 into number of years of service. B. Gratuity is equal to monthly salary divided by 30 into 15 into number of years of service. C. Gratuity is equal to monthly salary divided by 26 into 15 into number of years of service. D. Gratuity is equal to monthly salary divided by 15 into number of years of service. Here the correct option is C. Gratuity is equal to monthly salary divided by 26 into 15 into number of years of service. 17. For avoiding any payment knowingly by making any false statement or representation shall be punishable with dash A. Imprisonment up to 3 months or fine up to rupees 10,000 or both. B. Imprisonment up to 6 months or fine up to rupees 10,000 or both. C. Imprisonment up to 3 months or fine up to rupees 20,000 or both. D. Imprisonment up to 6 months or fine up to rupees 20,000 or both. Correct option is A. Imprisonment up to 3 months or fine up to rupees 10,000 or both. 18. Failure to comply with any provision of the Act or rule shall be punishable with dash A. Imprisonment up to 1 year or with fine extended up to rupees 10,000 or with both. B. Imprisonment up to 1 year or with fine extended up to rupees 20,000 or with both. C. Imprisonment up to 2 years or with fine extended up to rupees 20,000 or both with both. D. Imprisonment up to 2 years or with fine extended up to rupees 50,000 or with both. Correct option is B. Imprisonment up to 1 year or with fine extended up to rupees 20,000 or with both. Now question number 19. Which section deals with the determination of the amount of gratuity? A. Section 10, B. Section 8, C. Section 7, D. Section 9. Correct option is C. Section 7. 20. Which of the following is a wrong statement? A. No gratuity payable under the Act shall be liable to attachment in any execution of any decree or order of any civil, revenue or criminal code. B. The Payment of Gratuity Amendment Act 1987 has prescribed provisions for compulsory insurance for employers' liability for payment towards the gratuity under the Act from the Life Insurance Corporation of India or any other prescribed insurer. C. Once the Payment of Gratuity Act becomes applicable to the establishment, a notice in Form A has to be given by the employer to the controlling authority within 30 days. Notice in Form B is to be given to the controlling authority within 30 days of any change in name, address, employer or nature of business. If an employer proposes to close down the business, he shall submit a notice in Form C to the controlling authority at least 60 days before the intended closure. D. Gratuity Act is not applicable to public, charitable and religious trusts. Correct option is D. Gratuity Act is not applicable to public, charitable and religious trusts. This is a wrong statement. Question number 21. As per the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, how much time it takes for an employee wants to acquire a family nomination who has no family at the time of making nomination? A. 15 days, B. 30 days, C. 60 days, D. 90 days. Correct option is D. 90 days. Question number 22. What, as per Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, is the maximum imprisonment term for the purpose of avoiding any payment? A. 1 year, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. 5 years. Correct option is B. 2 years. 23. Dash it takes for gratuity become payable to an employee who had applied as per Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. A. 15 days, B 30 days, C 60 days, D 90 days. Correct option is B 30 days. 24. What is the duration within which the receipt of nomination in Form F under Sub Rule 1? The employer shall get the service particulars of the employee as mentioned in the form of nomination, verified with the reference to the records of the establishment and returned to the employee as per the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. A 7 days, B 10 days, C 15 days, D 30 days. Correct option is D 30 days. 25. Payment of Gratuity Act was introduced in the year dash A 1923, B 1961, C 1972, D 1976. Correct option is C 1972. This was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.